Hi, my name is Brandi Skipper, and I'm a registered dental hygienist here at the Community Health Center of Yavapai. As a dental hygienist, one of the main things that I do is I clean your teeth. I clean and floss them, and then I check everything out to see if you're brushing well and flossing. I also take x-rays and do sterilization and charting. I'm generally one of the people that you'll see when you come into the dentist. If you're here for a dental checkup, usually the dentist will come in after the dental hygienist has cleaned your teeth. I got into dental hygiene because I was interested in something in the science field, and as a hygienist we have a lot of background in science and microbiology, chemistry, anatomy and physiology. They're all components that went into the education for a hygienist, and so I was interested in getting into a career that also allowed me to spend a lot of time with family and have my nights and weekends and holidays available, and so that's the route we took. As a dental hygienist, some of the problems that I help patients with is I teach them how to properly floss their teeth. Sometimes people just aren't flossing correctly, maybe they just didn't know how. I also teach them how to use devices that you have at home. Sometimes people will get a water pick or a device such as that, and they don't know how to use it, and so they've often brought it in, and I've sat and showed them how to utilize it properly and what is most effective for them. Some of the things that you need to learn as a hygienist, or some skills that will make you a better hygienist, are good communication skills. You want to be able to communicate effectively with your patient to teach them what you need them to do. You want to be able to get along with people because you're seeing a huge variety of people within a week. You're working alongside your coworkers, your dentist, and so you want to be able to have good communication skills. Another skill is time management. That is a huge skill that if you don't have time management, you're not going to stay on track, and patients are going to get upset with you that you're running behind. One of the things that I do love about my job is my patients. That's my foundation for my job. I enjoy building the relationships with them, and I really enjoy teaching patients and building a relationship where they can feel like they can trust me, because a lot of times patients are very afraid of coming to the dentist from a bad experience in their past. So being able to help them to feel comfortable with me, that's a huge goal for me. And so I just feel that that relationship that I build from the minute they walk in is the foundation of my job. Some of the skills that you probably want to start working on if you're interested in maybe becoming a hygienist is definitely start paying attention to your science classes in high school and even junior high, because those classes really truly will lay a foundation for you that when you get to college and you're starting to take some of those classes in college, you're going to be a stronger student, and you're going to be able to understand that material a little bit, and then you'll be able to adapt that easier when you get into the dental hygiene program.